Good day, science people! I am Ems and today we're going to answer these questions. I am ready, and if you are ready too, let's hop in. Number 1. What is the hottest part of the day? Maybe you are thinking that the hottest part of the day is during noontime where the sun is at its peak and it gives the earth the most intense solar rays. Well, you're wrong. Imagine a kettle full of water being put on the stove, and the moment you ignite it doesn't eventually hit the water inside. You have to wait some time as the heat transfers from the fire to the kettle and finally to the water through conduction heat transfer. Just like with the Earth's surface source of heat primarily is the sun. From the very first seconds that the sun rises, it already gives heat to the earth. But we cannot feel it yet because it takes time for the surface to heat up. So during noontime, the earth temperature is already high because it has been exposed to the heat for a few hours. But not the hottest part of the day yet. The intense sun rays from the sun during noontime will be felt 3 to 5 hours after noon. The warmth that we feel is actually the air temperature that is being heated up by the Earth's surface through conduction. So, we can compare our sun to the fire on the stove. It is the source of heat, while the Earth's surface is the kettle heated up by the sun, and the air is like the water inside the kettle. It takes time to make the water boil so as the air to heat up. So, the hottest part of the day is 3 to 5 p.m. because it is the time where the heat from the sun during noontime is being radiated by the Earth's surface. Number 2. What is the coldest part of the night? It is pretty obvious that the night is colder than day because there is no sun during this time to heat up the Earth's surface. But what particular part of the night is the coldest? This time, the surface and the air continues to radiate infrared energy, but they don't receive any more radiation from the sun. So, it cools. The ground is a better radiator of energy than the air, so it cools more quickly. As the night is going deep, the atmosphere continues to cool, and by late night to early morning, it reaches its coldest part. Just like how the earth heats up at the end of the day, it also cools more at the end of the night. Number 3. What is the radiation temperature inversion? A temperature inversion refers to an increase in temperature with height in the troposphere. The troposphere is the layer of the atmosphere closest to the Earth's surface, in which most of our weather takes place. Normally, air temperature decreases with heights in the troposphere. When it is inverted, it is known as temperature inversion. A ground inversion forms when air is in contact with a colder Earth's surface, cools more than the air above. This often happens on a clear and calm night when heat radiates away from the ground and it cools quickly. Fog can form close to the ground, sometimes remaining until the ground heats up again during the day. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and God bless.